Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through fixing the USB composite device driver error on Windows 11. And now let's get started. To resolve the USB composite device driver error in Windows 11, we will begin by accessing the Device Manager. Type Device Manager into your Windows search bar and select the application when it appears. Once the Device Manager window is open, scroll down the list of devices until you find the Universal Serial Bus Controllers section. Expand this section to reveal the connected USB devices. Locate the entry labeled USB composite device. Right-click on this entry and select the option to update the driver. It is also a good practice to right-click on the USB composite device again and select Update Driver to ensure all related drivers are updated. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.